everyone. This is for all the children at home during this COVID-19 pandemic. Join ACE Radio School on Wazobia Abuja to continue learning while you're at home. This is for nursery, primary, and secondary school children. We will be teaching you literacy, numeracy, STEM subjects. STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and maths. This is an ACE charity initiative. Powered by the Malala Fund.
This session is for nursery and primary school children. Hello friends! My name is Ms. Tomiwa and I am your literacy teacher on ACE Radio School. We will have a lot of fun learning today, so I need you to be ready for all of that fun. Okay? Last week we talked about letters A to C and learned to identify their sounds. This week we will take it further and learn about letters D to F. Do not worry if you have heard us teach these letters before. We are going over them in a different way so you can have a better understanding. But first, let us sing the alphabet song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Awesome! Remember last week we said just the way animals have names and the sounds they make, letters also have names and the sounds they make. And we said letter A says A, as in ant. Letter B says B, as in bag. Letter C says K, as in cat. Can you point at something around you that begins with the letter D? Good! Now we will learn the sounds letter D, E, and F make. Join me to sing the sound song. Letter D says D. Letter D says D. Every letter makes a sound. Letter D says D. Letter E says E. Letter E says E. Every letter makes a sound. Letter E says E. Letter F says F. Letter F says F. Every letter makes a sound. Letter F says F. Great job! Now, who remembers what sound letter D makes? Yes! Letter D makes the sound D. D, D, drum. D, D, dog. D, D, dress. What other word begins with D? Great! Another word that begins with D is door. Letter E says E. E, E, egg. E, E, envelope. E, E, earth. What other word begins with E? Fantastic! I can tell you one more. Elementary. Letter F says fish. Flower. Fan. What other word begins with amazing? Food also begins with. Alright, listeners, you have done very well. It is time for your assignment. Now listen carefully to the questions. Question 1. What letter says F? What letter says F? Question 2. What letter says D? What letter says D? Question 3. What letter says E? What letter says E? Question 4. What is the first sound in elephant? What is the first sound in elephant? Question 5. What is the first sound in desk? What is the first sound in desk? Question 6. What is the first sound in fan? What is the first sound in fan? Send your answers as a text message indicating your name, gender, state, and subject, which is literacy, to 0703 630 3182. Have you sent in the message? Fabulous! To end this lesson, let us sing the alphabet song one more time. Ready? Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Alright, friends. Thank you for learning with me today. Join me for another amazing literacy lesson next week. Bye-bye, and don't forget to stay safe.
This is an ACE charity initiative, powered by the Malala Fund.
This session is for nursery and primary school children. Hello, listeners. I'm your ACE Radio School numeracy teacher. My name is Miss Kola Mobo, but you can call me Miss Beautiful. Last week, we learned the meaning of addition. We identified the symbol for addition. We used other names for addition, and we added single-digit numbers. Today, we will learn the meaning of word problems in mathematics. We will interpret word problems in addition, and we will solve word problems in addition. Before we go ahead, I would like to know, do you have your book and pencil?
Yes!
Brilliant! Did you come along with your counters too? If you did, that is awesome. If you didn't, quickly get your book, pencil, bean seeds, stones, or sticks. You have 10 seconds to do this. Quick, quick, quick! I am waiting for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good to have you back. Now let's get started. Are you ready?
Yes!
Children, our activity today is solving word problems in addition. I bet you are wondering what a word problem is. A word problem is a mathematics question written in sentences instead of mathematical signs and equations. The focus here is for you to be able to solve real-life situations using addition. Here are some examples of word problems in addition. Example 1. You have 5 erasers and your friend gave you 6 more erasers. How many erasers do you have all together? We are going to add 5 erasers plus 6 erasers. That is 5 plus 6. Help me out. What is the answer, children? 5 plus 6. You can use your bean seeds, your sticks, your fingers, or you can even add in your mind and tell me the answer. Did you say 8? Oh, what did you say?
11.
11. Brilliant answer, Michelle. That means 5 erasers plus 6 erasers equal to 11 erasers. So you have 11 erasers all together. Great work, everyone. Remember to use the equal sign before the answer. Example 2. You went to the garden with Grandma to pluck some tomatoes. Grandma plucked 4 tomatoes and you plucked 3 tomatoes. How many tomatoes did you pluck all together? We are going to use our fingers to do this addition. So, put out 4 fingers on one hand. That is for Grandma's 4 tomatoes. Have you done that?
Yes.
Good. Put out 3 fingers on the other hand. That is for your own tomatoes. Let us count the numbers on both hands together. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Beautiful. That means 4 tomatoes plus 3 tomatoes equal to 7 tomatoes. Let's do some more. Example 3. Mommy went to the market and bought some biscuits. She gave you 8 biscuits and also gave your sister 8 biscuits. How many biscuits do you both have all together? What is the answer, children? Make strikes on your books. Use any type of counters you have. Or you can count in your mind and tell me the answer. 8 biscuits plus 8 biscuits. That is 8 strikes if you're using strikes and another 8 strikes. Count them together and tell me the answer. What is the answer, children?
16.
16 biscuits. That's a good job, Daniel, Michelle, and Joshua. Are you sure of your answer?
Yes.
Are you very sure?
Yes.
Good, you sound so sure. So, let's take it a step higher. Are you ready?
Yes.
Example 4. Imagine you went to the tap to fetch some water. You counted 15 buckets on the line waiting to be filled with water, and you came with 3 buckets. How many buckets are there all together? Can you add up and tell me the answer? 15 buckets plus 3 buckets. What is the answer, children?
18.
18 buckets. Good job, everyone. Now let's go to example 5. If in your family there are 15 males, that is 15 boys, and 8 females, that is 8 girls, how many people do you have in your family? We will have how many? 15 males plus 8 females. How many do we have? 15 plus 8, children. What is the answer?
23.
Beautiful, Daniel, Michelle, and Joshua. That was good answer. So there are 23 people in your family. Great answers, everyone. This is your assignment for today. Before we start, grab your phone or your parents' phone. Make sure you ask for permission first. Go to your text message and type your name. Have you done that?
Yes.
Now type your gender. Tell us if you are a boy or a girl. A male if you are a boy, or a female if you are a girl. Tell us what state in Nigeria you are in. Are you in Borno, Edo, or Abuja? Which state are you in right now? Write it down. Send your answers to this number 070-363-03182. The number again is 070-363-03182. Are you ready for your assignment questions?
Yes.
Assignment question 1. If you have 5 naira and mommy gave you 7 naira more, how much do you have all together? Assignment number 1 again. If you have 5 naira and mommy gave you 7 naira more, how much do you have all together? Write down your answer. Assignment number 2. Daddy went to the shop. He came back with 3 packs of Indomie noodles. Uncle came visiting with 3 more packs. How many packs of Indomie noodles are there all together? Assignment number 2 again. Daddy went to the shop. He came back with 3 packs of Indomie noodles. Uncle came visiting with 3 more packs. How many packs of Indomie noodles are there all together? Write down your answer. Assignment number 3. If your neighbor has 6 toys and you have 7 toys, what is the sum of both of your toys? Assignment number 3 again. If your neighbor has 6 toys and you have 7 toys, what is the sum of both of your toys? Now send your answers to 070-363-03182. The number again is 070-363-03182. Press send and do it now. Today, we learned the meaning of word problems in mathematics. We interpreted word problems in addition, and we solved word problems in addition. Until next time, keep learning. If you can, subscribe to our ACE Radio School YouTube channel to catch up on topics you have missed. Our channel on YouTube is called ACE Radio School. Remember to bring your book, pencil, and any type of counters to the next class. Bye, everyone.
Bye, Miss Alice.
Hello, everyone. This is for all the children at home during this COVID-19 pandemic. Join ACE Radio School on Wazobia Abuja to continue learning while you're at home. This is for nursery, primary, and secondary school children. We will be teaching you literacy, numeracy, STEM subjects. STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and maths. This is an ACE charity initiative. Powered by the Malala Fund.
This is for the primary school children. Hello listeners, I am your ACE Radio School science teacher. My name is Damilare Sanusi, but you can call me Mr. D. In our last class, we learned about the ear and its functions. We learned that it is made up of 3 parts: an outer ear, middle ear, and an inner ear. We also learned about the skin and that it is the soft outer tissue that covers our body and tells us how we feel. Today we will learn more about the skin, ear, and their other functions. Before we begin, let's sing a song. You can sing after my first try. Listen up, wear your ears. We help you listen and we help you learn. Listen up, wear your ears. We help you balance and we help you learn. Alright, can you sing with me? 1, 2, 3, go. Listen up, wear your ears. We help you listen and we help you learn. Listen up, wear your ears. We help you balance and we help you learn. Alright, now let's talk about the ear. The ear helps us maintain our balance. There are special tubes found in the middle part of the ear that reduce the amount of air that enters our ear so that we do not feel dizzy when we stand or sit. These tubes are as small as a pencil eraser but are an important part of our body. Did you know the ear contains some of the smallest bones in our body? Amazing, right? The ear also has a middle part that houses what is known as the eardrum. The eardrum is a very thin and sensitive part of our ear that vibrates whenever we hear a sound. These vibrations then move into our inner ear very quickly for the brain to tell us what we hear. Did you also know that sound travels into the ear at 332 meters every second? Isn't that cool? The inner part of the ear has special fluids that carry sounds to our brain. Have you noticed that after you spin, you feel dizzy? This is because when you spin, the fluids in your ear also move. When you stop spinning, the fluids keep on moving, which confuses your brain into thinking you are still spinning. That is why you feel dizzy even when you have stopped spinning. Wow! Last week we learned that we must take care of our ears. However, unlike other parts of the body, you do not need to clean your ear regularly. This is because the ear cleans itself, and the wax we think is dirt actually helps the ear to function well. So next time you want to clean your ear, remember that your ear needs wax to function properly. Okay? Now we will be talking about the skin. The skin contains what is called nerves. N-E-R-V-E-S. Nerves. N-E-R-V-E-S. Nerves. Nerves are tiny tissues that carry messages to the brain. The skin contains millions of nerves that tell us how we feel. These can be feelings of heat, cold, pain, or pleasure. For example, when you touch a very hot pot, the nerves tell the brain it is hot, and the brain tells the hand to stop touching it. The skin also prevents germs and diseases from entering our body. But germs can enter the skin through injuries. That is why when we have wounds on the skin, it heals itself by forming a scar tissue that becomes skin again. That is also why when we have an injury, we cover it with a clean bandage so that germs will not enter the body through our injuries. Today we learned that the skin helps us feel and prevents germs from entering our body. We also learned about the ear and how it helps us maintain our balance. That was fantastic. But before we go, I would like to give you some homework. I will ask 3 questions and you are to send your answers to this number: 070 363 03182. 070 363 03182. Okay? Here are the questions. Question 1. What is the soft outer tissue that covers the body called? What is the soft outer tissue that covers the body called? A. Skin. B. Ear. C. Flesh. What is the soft outer tissue that covers the body called? A. Skin. B. Ear. C. Flesh. Question 2. What part of the ear contains special fluids that help us hear? What part of the ear contains special fluids that help us hear? A. The outer part of the ear. B. The inner part of the ear. C. The middle part of the ear. What part of the ear contains special fluids that help us hear? A. The outer part of the ear. B. The inner part of the ear. C. The middle part of the ear. Question 3. What is the first layer of the skin called? What is the first layer of the skin called? A. Dermis. B. Cochlea, C. Epidermis. Question 3. What is the first layer of the skin called? A. Dermis, B. Cochlea, C. Epidermis. Remember to send your answers to this number 070 363 03182. The number again is 070 363 03182. If you can, subscribe to our Ace Radio School YouTube channel to catch up on topics you may have missed. Our channel on YouTube is called Ace Radio School. Until I come your way next time, stay safe, wash your hands, and remember, keep learning. Bye, listeners.
Hello, everyone. This is for all the children at home during this COVID-19 pandemic. Join Ace Radio School on Wazobia, Abuja to continue learning while you're at home. This is for nursery, primary, and secondary school children. We will be teaching you literacy, numeracy, STEM subjects. STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and maths. This is an Ace charity initiative. Powered by the Malala Fund.